Well, my lovelies, tonight I'm actually going out with a few friends to have some Pakistani dinner, and also we are gonna actually commute around Riyadh quite a bit. So I want you guys to tag along with me. But actually, before I go, I was actually going to open this new perfume. The old one that I was using was from Reef. This one is Monty for men, and I got this from Dira. So they have a very good collection of the perfumes. So tonight's gonna be quite long. Let me just unbox this and see how the fragrance is like. I actually tried it when I bought it, but now we have to see if it's still a familiar scent. So this is what it looks like. Okay, this is 100 ml and let's try then. Okay. Oh, this is very good actually. Quite intense but still decent actually. Okay, so now I'm gonna leave from here, so tag along with me. So here we are. This is our this is the pod for the Insta360 Go 3S. This is the cover, casing, a brush. Let us just adjust the camera. Let's close the car trunk and it's time to leave. Must be quite dark actually, right? Okay, what about now? So here we go everyone, our night drive mission just started, and well, I'm right now going to Swedi to pick up my friend Arshad, and after that we are gonna go to, I think it's Naseem Al Gharabi. So that's where we are gonna go, to this one Pakistani restaurant called the Food Point. The journey, it's 29 kilometers, gonna take 41 minutes. Anyways, check out these buildings. They are gonna make something big over here, some malls, residential places, and since this is gonna be a long vlog, I might not record the whole drive, just the gist of the drive. But for now, since we are gonna take this U-turn, then again take another U-turn. So okay, this person wants to come in here. Okay, so we are gonna take a double U-turn and come on to the King Abdullah Road, and after that we are gonna use the Jeddah Road, or in some places it's the I believe the King Khalid Road. So here we go, going round and round. Usually around this time there's a lot of rush here at Mama Noora, and also the other places, but Mama Noora is the main highlight of this specific area of Muhammadiyah. And well, let us take the U-turn from there, and maybe if I come quite late at night, I might go to Le Meridian, which is over there, you see, to just work out from there or have some coffee later. But we'll see about that. First, I have some plans with my friends. So it's a Thursday night, so obviously people do plan. What are your plans? Let me know in the comments, or are you gonna keep it a secret? But anyways, the thing is, what do you usually do on a weekend here in Riyadh? What's your routine like? So this is the second U-turn, and after that we'll be free to go on to King Abdullah Road. So there we go. The speed limit of the road going towards the west, I think King Abdullah West, this road has a speed limit of 90 Please everyone, let me join you. And here we go. Please everyone, let me overtake you as well now. All these people are going tail to tail, but that is not actually my preference to go in this lane. But well, these people seem to be kind of slow. Okay, let's see. A lot of traffic. Now I will meet you guys at the end of this road where there's globe, the green globe. That's the main highlight of this road. So now the area with the green globes is just gonna arrive, and after that we are inshallah gonna put the car in sports mode and drive on this King Khalid road. So the King Khalid road is one of my favorite roads to drive on, especially near the place where it's curving towards the Makkah road, and the speed limit is 120. Oh goodness. Well, the green globes here on the King Khalid road. I saw this one meme where some creator, she posted that if you take a wrong U-turn in Riyadh, you have to travel, you end up in Dubai. That was the gist of that meme. Maybe if you live in Riyadh, you would have seen that too, and it features these green globes that we just saw. So let us put our car in sports mode, and well, the beast is on the roads. Okay, now here we go. Now it's gonna be like that. There's quite some traffic here today, so I'm gonna meet you around the curve. Well everyone, there's an alternate route, but it's gonna take us 11 more minutes on that road. But if we go on this, it's gonna be actually quite rushy ahead. So well, this is the curve that I was actually talking about. You see, if we come over here, let's go into this lane. So you see, this curve is quite interesting considering the speed limit of the road. Wonderful. It gives some different type of thrill, but anyways, I'm a safe driver. I don't live for the thrill, but today there's more rush over here. So maybe in my previous videos you might have seen me driving around here, and well, so there's gonna be some rush up ahead. I will actually meet you after that. Seems like it's saying there's a collision up ahead on Jeddah road. We could have gone from within Wadi Hanifa, but it was taking 11 more minutes. Honestly, that's a lot. So see you on the Western Ring Road here in Riyadh. So despite the extreme traffic, we are almost about to reach the Western Ring Road, and you see, this road has been carved out of hills, these cliffs actually. Now it's gonna be quite a task to come into the main lane because there's a lot of traffic, and well, let's do it then. Here we go. Here we go, coming in behind these tankers. We can manage that. One is a tanker, one is another sort of vehicle, or either we go straight and then in the end we turn left. Thank you, Mr. Tanker Guy. So I'll meet you after this traffic then. So we were free from the traffic behind, and now we are on this bridge on the Western Ring Road. There was a lot of dust, a lot actually. So time to clean the screen as well. So we are free from the traffic behind, and well, what actually happened was that on this Jeddah road, the one that leads to Makkah, so on that 4 cars got into an accident and they hit each other from behind. But Alhamdulillah, all of them were fine, or seemingly everyone was fine, sitting in their cars waiting for Najm to come. So if you are not from Saudi Arabia, just for you, the Najm here is an organization that actually makes these reports for the accidents and these roadside accident claims. So the thing is that there was a lady in front, she braked, and the cars behind, they came slamming in to each other. Now the thing was that the lady herself was not responsible for this accident, because the people coming in from behind, they needed to have the safe braking distance, and I guess the most damaged car seemed to be the one that was in the last. But Alhamdulillah, all of them seemed fine. And here we are on the Western Ring Road. Well, I'm gonna reach my friend Arshad in a bit. 6 minutes remaining. Mr. Arshad, if you are seeing this, I'm so excited to meet you. He works in Al Rain outside of Riyadh, and often he is in Riyadh for the weekend. So inshallah, Mr. Arshad, we are gonna meet and we are gonna go to the food point in Naseem Al Gharabi. So we are gonna take this U-turn up ahead. If you people live in Suedi, you people are actually blessed to have such a family environment over here in Suedi. What a wonderful place it is, mashallah. Let's go everyone, let's go. Sometimes this steering, it almost comes into your hand like a tablet, you see, or a book. Oh goodness. See here. Okay guys, please give me some space. I need a little bit, man. Yeah, thank you. Now this car wants to come over here. Oh, that was actually close. Come on guys, where are you? What do you wanna do? You wanna speed in the last lane? I really miss my friend Kareem Jan as well. He used to be a part of our gathering, but now he is in Abha in Asir region. Am I right on that? So I'm close to Mr. Arshad's home. Mr. Arshad, let's meet you. I'll have to park over here for a bit. Okay. There's Arshad coming with his cousin Eidjan. Mr. Arshad, my very dear friend Arshad.
Thank you so much for having me again.
Yeah.
Where is
Yeah,
your-
thank you so much for coming to Riyadh. And where is what? What exactly were you asking?
उधर से पता है ना वो
Oh yeah,
Okay.
the location we are gonna put it on the
सेंड किया है वो।
Yeah.
वो चलो चलो उसको
on the
नहीं
map.
पता था।
हाँ. Inshallah
ये
we
तो
are
smart
gonna
simple.
reach there and आना पीछे ट्रैफिक बहुत ज़्यादा वो एक एक्सीडेंट हो गया था रास्ते में
अच्छा।
वो 4 गाड़ियाँ ना आपस में लगी हुई थी yeah so it's gonna take us 50 minutes to go there 50 minutes is a lot we will move because Eidjan is waiting for us to move his reverse he put it in reverse yeah so we go from here okay from this location okay हाँ yeah let's go everyone
ये खतरा हो गया
हाँ ब्लाइंड स्पॉट हो गया
चलो चलो चलो
चले 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 चले
चलो
हाँ here we go अब हम अगले रोड से आएंगे
उधर से सीधा
तो हम यहाँ से नहीं मुड़ सकते थे
यहाँ क्या करो मेन रोड वो है।
अच्छा
उधर से आगे जाओगे वहाँ से
ओके
सीधा बता रोड पे सीधा
हाँ।
आगे ना
How was your weekend, Mr. Arshad?
Fine as usual
As usual. Ah. So the map is showing we will go from here.
Yes.
What do you say?
No, वो उधर से
Okay.
इधर से मुझे पता है।
Oh. Now we are stuck in. Okay, we'll go straight.
Straight,
We'll go straight.
डॉक्टर सुलेमान
Yeah.
हबीब सीधा
Yeah.
लास्ट टाइम गए थे ना इधर से
Yeah, I got it.
बता रोड पे जो
बिल्कुल हाँ.
पुल के नीचे जाके सीधा जाना है
सही.
आगे जाके राउंड अबाउट में हम भूल
Got
गए थे
it. हाँ.
ये भी याद रखो
Okay guys, so instead of sitting idle on this traffic light, I will show you our route. So we are gonna take the Southern Ring Road and well, this is from where we go to Naseem Al Gharabi. The same place, right Mr. Arshad? Here. 37 kilometers on the other side of Riyadh. Check out this huge city. Here we go, we are going in the extreme left lane. There's generally a lot of traffic here in Riyadh tonight.
It's a weekend.
Yeah, it's a weekend. Yeah, just like we are out and about, most of the people are as well.
In the world there is Sunday
Uh-huh.
off but we have Friday off
Yeah, we have Friday off.
so these
Yeah.
Gulf countries
Uh-huh.
they have economically sound so
Yeah, true.
so we don't go with the stock exchange we have our own
Oh yeah, you are right. Yeah.
We are-
So
trendsetters.
yeah, definitely trendsetters.
your economy is sound and stable you can do whatever you want.
Exactly.
And due to the Friday prayers
Exactly.
What
Friday
is-
prayer is important. Yeah.
so these Islamic countries
Friday prayer is important.
that's why they officially Friday is off in Gulf
Yeah.
countries
Now just keep an eye over here. Last time we took a wrong one. We'll go straight.
see that
See the. Last time I think we took this one.
No,
turn.
next.
Next one, okay. The next one is tricky.
This is going to Bata.
I actually came here like a couple months back. There's one mosque over here. It's 400 years old here in Riyadh. It's called the Qibli Mosque. It has a name like that. It's somewhere around here. Okay, so here again we face some traffic. So here we go. Finally, we can now drive at a rather faster speed. Actually, what happened was that there was a car that came dangerously close to hitting us twice from behind, and that's what I meant when I said this in an earlier video, that if you brake here in Riyadh on a road, you have to look at the mirror behind. So now we can drive 120 because now the road is free. Well, these are the scenes. We are on the Southern Ring Road. So here we go. We are cruising on the speed limit on sports mode in a Shenzhen Edo. $15 minutes for 15-kilometer drive. That's what's remaining. Yeah. So here we are in An-Nasim Al Gharbi in the south of Riyadh, and now we are going to the food point. We are quite near it. We'll see you over there. So here we are in An-Nasim Al Gharbi. Today the traffic was so crazy, honestly. But anyways, we are here now and time to go to the food point. I've been here before. Let's try it out today again. Here we go. Let's meet you inside. ये हाँ यहाँ पे था ये फैमिली वाला.
बिल्कुल
So here's our meal. Seems so delicious.
असल में आज वो हमारा प्रोजेक्ट इंजीनियर भी फॉलो करता है यहाँ ऐसा कुछ है. मैं तो करके भेज दिया अभी 2 घंटे मेरी गाड़ी 3-4 हफ्ते हो गई.
So here we go, everyone. I cannot even speak properly. So here we go, everyone. We had a delicious meal, a dinner. Thank you, Mr. Arshad, for your hospitality.
You are
And
always welcome.
thank you so much. You are very kind.
Mutton Machli Kada is
Yeah.
specialty of
Yeah.
Food Point Restaurant. Highly recommended to
Yeah.
all of you. Come with family. Now they have before they have big heart and small space. Now they have big
now I
space
have a
and
big space and
even
big heart.
bigger heart.
True
So,
that. True that.
Truly hygienic,
Hmm.
delicious.
Yeah, and
their staff
is
highly
also cooperative.
good.
Yes. So it was very difficult to get into the car. Someone parked really close to me, but well, right now we are gonna actually go from here. It's gonna be very difficult since I need to actually turn from here, so we'll have to make a cut from here. Okay, now let's buy us some space, a little bit more space. Okay. Yeah, now we are free to go. So let's see the route first. Okay. I think it's showing us to go straight. Or should we go from here?
इधर से भी जा सकते हैं.
Ah, yeah. If we can go from here, then we don't need to wait here. Let's go then. You remember this one time? Yeah, we went for coffee. Wonderful memories we have. Yeah. Yeah, it was winters. Yeah, you're right. Huh? There's a park up ahead. Yeah. So this is An-Naseem Al-Gharabi here in Riyadh. Now we will meet you people on the ring road. Check out this road. Actually it was higher up there and then it came down. I started recording at the last minute to show you this ramp. Look at this. If you go from here, you are gonna take off into the sky. This is weird, but right now we are on the ring road, the southern ring road, and it's time to go back to Suwaidi. Yeah, Suwaidi Al-Gharabi. .37 kilometers, but there seems to be some traffic in between. Yeah, there. Same area. We'll see you in a bit. Here we go. Relatively less traffic up till now. now we are trying to call our very dear friend Kareem Jan. He used to be with us in these gatherings, but now he's in a different city. Walaikum assalam, Kareem Jan. How are you?
How are you doing, man? How are you doing? I'm doing good.
I am also good. I am also good. मैं भी ठीक हूँ. मेरे साथ अरशद भाई हैं और व्लॉग चल रहा है और we miss you, man. We miss you.
Thank you. Miss you too, यार.
यार, really.
टाइम है ना घूमने का, बहुत मिस कर रहा हूँ.
हाँ, really. मैं सोच रहा था कि यार अरशद भाई जब गया था तो और मैं घूम रहे थे. अब सीन और है.
तकरीबन 1.5 महीने से भी ऊपर हो गया.
हाँ, देखो ना. हाँ, देख ले.
2 महीने हो गए. अरशद भाई भी ठीक है ना?
अरशद भाई भी ठीक है. हाँ,
सेहत बना के आया.
हाँ,
तस्वीरें देखा था मैं.
हमने गलत टर्न ले लिया. समर यार ठीक है. समर एक और साइड पे चला गया.
अच्छा, वो भी
हाँ.
रियाद से बाहर है?
नहीं, रियाद में ही है.
अच्छा, रियाद में दूसरे साइड.
हाँ, तो
इस वक्त कहाँ हो आप लोग?
यार घर जा रहे हैं.
अच्छा, खाना वाना खा के?
हाँ, बिल्कुल. हाँ, तो और सुना. So we took a wrong turn and now we are trying to get back onto the main Southern Ring Road. But actually I have been here before. We actually came from the other side of the road. I went there before as well. I was telling Ashad that this word is really small. I've been to this exact place, these exact streets that we followed before, but for a different purpose. You see, I told you there's workshops over here now, and on the back side there were mainly istirahas on the other side of the road. Not sure what the area is called, but well, it's familiar. Now there's gonna be a very sort of tight turn over here. You see, these are all workshops in this line. Right now closed though. A lot of people are taking a turn from this one. Yeah, everyone I think wants to go to the main road, and there's quite some traffic coming from the other side as well. The area is quite busy for now. And here we go, it's our turn. Now we will merge onto the main road. Yeah. We are still stuck in the traffic of Riyadh, and you see this line is quite red for a few kilometers. And these scenes might be relatable to you if you live in Riyadh, or even if you have been to Riyadh. I'm excited to show you this scene. Check out the Riyadh metro on top of this road. Wow, wonderful scenes. I'm elated to see this, and I just rushed to show you this. Check this out. हाँ, सिनेमैटिक में बनाया जी. बस मैं आऊँ. आ रही चल रही वीडियो. हाँ. What's up everyone? So if you follow me, you might know that I bought this Insta360 Go 3S camera. Its action pod is over here, and the camera, it's in the cap. and well, I've been able to record some pretty wonderful POV, point of view drives, just like I will show you right now. You see, that's the type of stuff that I'm able to record with this camera, and it's truly fascinating actually. And I bought it out of curiosity to satisfy my creative creative aptitude. But anyways, with this I'm recording the drives here in Riyadh, and if you feel you are creative, you have to nurture your creativity, but with the right tools. I believe that this tool that I bought, it's value for money, honestly. See you in another video, and let's get back to the road. Wonderful. कैसा ये अब आपका भाई लगाएगा? Here we go. These are the scenes here back in Suwedi. So we are in a Magha and we found a place to sit. Mr. Arshad, how's this? Yeah, it's definitely good. Yeah. And well, we are gonna order some stuff. Well, okay, lovelies, here's the thing. Right now we are waiting for the correct tea, and Mr. Arshad is actually uploading some TikToks. Yeah, so I'm gonna edit some videos, and after that, inshallah, what are we gonna do? We are gonna post the video on YouTube. So well, I hope you people will also have a very good weekend. And let me just show you the scenes. It's been a very long day, and but still I just want to keep talking to the camera, you know that. So these are the scenes. We are at a Magha and we ordered correct tea, a traditional coffee shop. So waiting on our tea. Here we go, we have the tea now, and Mr. Arshad is gonna serve us tea. MashaAllah. Look at this. Wow. Wonderful scenes. In the meanwhile, our data is also being transferred to the desktop for the vlog. Oh, look at this wonderful tea, Mr. Arshad. The first cup is for you. Yeah. So now we'll enjoy our tea. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and we'll see you in another one.